Welcome to our new channel Side Hustle Secrets. To celebrate our launch, we have a special giveaway just for you towards the end of this video. That's right, stick with us and you could win some amazing prizes. Now enjoy the video. We'll fill you in on the contest details in a few minutes. Why did the carpenter win every argument? Because he always had a good point. Alright, I know. That joke was rougher than a table leg sanded with sandpaper, the consistency of gravel. But let's be honest, sometimes the roughest jokes are the ones that stick with us the longest. But, hey, at least it got your attention, right? And that's the first step in both comedy and furniture repair, grabbing attention. And that's what starting a furniture repair side hustle is all about. Grabbing attention, but with beautifully restored furniture instead of groan-worthy puns. Imagine taking a piece that looks like it's on its last legs and transforming it into something that looks brand new. Think about it. People are always going to need their furniture fixed. Whether it's a wobbly chair, a scratched table, or a broken cabinet door, there's always something that needs a little TLC. It's one of those universal truths, like the sky being up and waffles being delicious. And just like those truths, the need for furniture repair isn't going away anytime soon. And the best part? You get to be the hero who swoops in, toolbox in hand, and saves the day and the dining room table. There's something incredibly satisfying about taking something broken and making it whole again. Plus, there's a certain artistry to furniture repair. It's not just about fixing what's broken, it's about restoring beauty and functionality. It's about seeing the potential in a piece and bringing it back to life. And let's not forget the skills you'll develop along the way. From woodworking to upholstery, you'll become a jack of all trades. Each project is a new challenge, a new opportunity to learn and grow. And yes, you do get paid more than a comedian. Unless you're a top-tier comedian, of course. But for most of us, furniture repair can be a lucrative side hustle or even a full-time gig. So, if you've got a knack for fixing things and a love for working with your hands, why not give it a try? You might just find that furniture repair is your calling. And who knows, you might even come up with a few good jokes along the way. After all, laughter and craftsmanship go hand in hand. Both require creativity, patience, and a willingness to see things from a different perspective. So go ahead, pick up that chisel and start your journey. You never know where it might take you. Now, you might be thinking, Nick, I'm about as handy as a penguin with a screwdriver, and that's okay. Many people feel the same way when they first start out. The idea of fixing furniture can seem daunting, especially if you've never done it before. But here's the thing, everyone starts somewhere. Even the most skilled craftsmen were once beginners, fumbling with their tools and making mistakes. The key is to not let that initial intimidation stop you from trying. Fear not, my friend. Furniture repair is a skill, not a superpower. It's something you can learn and get better at with practice. Think of it as a journey where each project you take on teaches you something new. You don't need to be an expert right away. Start with small, manageable tasks, and gradually work your way up to more complex repairs. The satisfaction you'll feel when you successfully fix something is incredibly rewarding. With a little patience, the right tools, and maybe a YouTube tutorial or two, you'll be amazed at what you can accomplish. The internet is a treasure trove of information, with countless videos and articles that can guide you through almost any repair. Don't be afraid to seek out help and learn from others. Join online communities or forums where you can ask questions and share your progress. You'll find that the DIY community is incredibly supportive and eager to help newcomers. Plus, a furniture repair side hustle is more than just fixing wobbly chairs and scratched tables. It's about creativity and problem solving. Each piece of furniture you work on presents a unique challenge, and finding solutions can be a fun and engaging process. You'll develop a keen eye for detail and a deeper appreciation for craftsmanship. And let's not forget the environmental benefits. By repairing and restoring old furniture, you're reducing waste and promoting sustainability. It's about tapping into your inner craftsman or craftswoman, giving new life to old treasures and maybe even making a decent chunk of change while you're at it. There's a growing market for restored and upcycled furniture, and people are willing to pay good money for unique, high-quality pieces. So, not only will you be honing a valuable skill, but you could also turn your hobby into a profitable side business. Imagine the pride and joy of seeing a piece you restored being cherished in someone's home. So, grab those tools, roll up your sleeves, and start your furniture repair journey today. Before you can start resurrecting furniture, you'll need the right tools. Now, I'm not talking about some fancy top-of-the-line bankrupt your wallet kind of tools. Start with the basics: a good set of screwdrivers, a hammer that feels good in your hand, a tape measure that doesn't lie, and a level that keeps things honest. And let's not forget sandpaper. Oh, sandpaper, my old friend. From smoothing out rough edges to prepping surfaces for a fresh coat of finish, sandpaper is the unsung hero of the furniture repair world. Now, where are you going to work your furniture restoration magic? You don't need a sprawling workshop with more gadgets than a Ron Swanson wet dream. A corner of the garage, a spare bedroom, even a well-lit patio can do the trick. The key is to have a dedicated space where you can spread out, get messy, and let your inner artisan run wild. Good lighting is key, and good ventilation is important too, especially when you're working with finishes and stains. Section 5. Spreading the word: marketing tactics that don't cost an arm and a leg. Okay, you've got your tools, you've got your workspace, now you need customers. But how do you attract them without spending a fortune? Let's dive into some cost-effective marketing tactics that can help you spread the word about your business. But hold your horses before you go investing in skywriting and blimp advertising. While those methods might be eye-catching, they can also be incredibly expensive and not necessarily effective for a small business. You can drum up business without breaking the bank. One of the simplest and most effective ways to start is by leveraging word of mouth. This age-old tactic is still one of the most powerful marketing tools available. Start by tapping into your network, friends, family, that guy you always see at the coffee shop. These people already know and trust you, making them more likely to support your business and spread the word to others. Social media is your new best friend. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter offer free and easy ways to reach a large audience. Create engaging content that showcases your work and tells your story. Post pictures of your amazing work, share before and after stories, and don't be afraid to show off your personality. People love to see the human side of a business, and it helps build a connection with your audience. Another great tactic is to start a blog. Share your expertise, tips, and behind-the-scenes looks at your projects. This not only positions you as an authority in your field, but also helps with search engine optimization, making it easier for potential customers to find you online. Don't underestimate the power of local marketing. Hand out flyers, put up posters in community centers, and participate in local events. Being active in your community can help you build a loyal customer base. Email marketing is another cost-effective way to keep in touch with your customers. Send out newsletters with updates, special offers, and useful information. This keeps your business top of mind and encourages repeat business. Finally, consider collaborating with other local businesses. Partnering with complementary businesses can help you reach a wider audience and create mutually beneficial relationships. By using these affordable marketing tactics, you can effectively spread the word about your business without spending a fortune. Remember, creativity and consistency are key. Happy marketing. Section 6. Pricing like a pro: finding the sweet spot between value and profit. Pricing: the age-old struggle. You don't want to undersell yourself, but you also don't want to scare away potential customers with prices that would make a banker blush. Do your research. See what other furniture repair folks are charging in your area. Factor in the cost of materials, your time, and your expertise. And remember, a fair price benefits both you and the customer. Section 7. The customer is always right, especially when they're holding a broken chair. In the world of furniture repair, excellent customer service is just as important as knowing how to use a dovetail joint. Treat every customer with respect, even if they're grumpier than a bear who lost its honey stash. Listen to their needs, communicate clearly, and always under-promise and over-deliver. A happy customer is more valuable than a perfectly restored armoire. Plus, they're more likely to tell their friends about you, which means more business for you. Section 8. Keeping it clean. Maintaining your tools and workspace. A clean workspace is a happy workspace, and a safe one too. Treat your tools with respect. Wipe them down after use, store them properly, and don't be afraid to give them a little TLC now and then. And your workspace? Keep it tidy, organized, and well lit. A clean workspace not only makes you more efficient, but it also shows your customers that you take pride in your work. Section 9. From side hustle to main squeeze: scaling your furniture repair business. So, Your side hustle is thriving like a well-watered fiddle leaf fig. You're booked solid, the money's rolling in, and you're starting to think, maybe I can make this my full-time gig. First of all, congratulations. You've tapped into something special. Now, scaling a business is a whole other beast. You'll need to think about things like registering your business, managing your finances, and maybe even hiring some help. Section 10. Troubleshooting common furniture repairs. A quick guide to getting unstuck. Every furniture restorer faces challenges. Maybe you're dealing with a stubborn stain that refuses to budge, or a wobbly chair leg that's testing your patience. Don't panic, my friend. The internet is your oyster when it comes to troubleshooting common furniture repair issues. Websites like YouTube and Instructables are treasure troves of information, with countless videos and tutorials on everything from fixing scratches to reupholstering chairs. Section 11. Take the first step. You can do this. Starting a furniture repair side hustle is like crafting a beautiful piece of furniture. It takes time, patience, and a willingness to learn and grow. But with every wobbly chair you fix, every scratch you erase, you're not just restoring furniture, you're building something much bigger, your own successful business. So go ahead, take the plunge. I believe in you. And remember, if all else fails, there's always woodworking, because wood never tells jokes. Hey everyone, we've got an exciting opportunity for you. We're offering a chance for you to win a $100 Amazon gift card or that equivalent in cryptocurrency. Once our new channel, Side Hustle Secrets, reaches 1,000 subscribers, we could be funding your next golden goose. So here's how you can be a part of this amazing giveaway. First, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Then, like this video. And lastly, leave a comment with the hashtag #SideHustleSecrets1000. It's that simple, folks. As soon as we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'll pick one lucky winner from the comments. So smash the like and subscribe buttons, leave a comment, share with your friends, and stay tuned for more interesting side hustles. Don't miss our ongoing contests with progressively larger prize giveaways, because the bigger we get, the bigger the prizes get.